overall,
But
yes.
I've been thinking a lot about this because my own kids, we don't have any kids living at home anymore. My boys all live outside and they're coming home for Pesach, for Passover. Two of the basically in the Orthodox world, the schools close about a week and a half before Passover starts. And so my two younger boys who are still in yeshiva are home now. And I've been thinking like such a difference between what my kids are experiencing and what a lot of non-Orthodox Jews experience Passover. For my kids, it's a whole season, right? Like the day Purim is over, it's Passover season, and the stores are
Yes,
switching
it is.
over, and everything is starting to revolve around Passover, and your house is starting to get clean, and you're starting to shop, and there's just this like new energy in the air, right? Like my kids get new clothes for Passover, and we're getting we're getting everything clean. Like everyone always makes fun of me when I say about cleaning our car. We get our car detailed, but there's an energy that my kids just experience that you can't write in a book to explain it to them, right? They have to feel it.